Alright, just installing this Daikin BRC1E63 wired remote controller. This is to an existing system I had with a separate zone controller. I've written the details down here. So the existing outdoor unit, Daikin RY160LUY1. The indoor in the roof void is the FDY160LV1. The controller, the old one, here is the BRC1C62, and we have a separate third-party zone controller, IAS multipoint MPES 8, which is the one you saw just here, which is a 24-volt zone motor system. So I didn't like this old controller, a bit hard to use, a bit fiddly, and it also had gone yellow and looked a bit crappy. Being positioned right in the middle of this wall was kind of not great. So I found this one for about 60 bucks online, did a bit of research and found it's compatible. So I ordered the OEM kit, which includes manuals, screws, the backing plate and the controller itself. And it was pretty simple. I turned the power off at the main switch, I'll show you in a minute. Came in, basically pulled off this old panel, which was simply clipped into its plate. You put your screwdriver there and there, twist it, and obviously it all pops off. Pulled the plate off. The cable was coming through here, which lined up quite nicely with the new backing plate. So the cable fed through here. You have other options listed in the manual, such as clipping that out, that up here. I think there's another spot around the back there somewhere as well. So there's a few places you can bring your cable in if you need. And it's simple. So after I did the replacement, as you can see, I've got it hanging out on the wall while I do some testing. I just turned it on outside and it came straight up. It takes about probably 15-20 seconds to load up, and then you're off and running. So I'm planning to clip that back in a minute and get going, but just wanted to do this quick video to show how simple it is. I'm trying to do another video where I've got this airbase controller to give myself some wireless capability, and that one's going to connect in and connect to my phone and all that sort of stuff. So I'll do that in the next one.